Hello again to another tutorial, and this is a request, so here we go. It's scrolling background, except that it's not quite a background. So let's stop our little bird flying. Right, let's start with the character. We have when clicked forever, next costume, wait 0.4 seconds. What that does is scrolls this at 0.4 seconds. It looks like it's flying. So that's the flying. This two little buddies here move the bird up and down. So up arrow, down arrow. Right turn, it just flies around. Up and down. That's just these two. Okay. The next thing is that this two can make the background run faster or slower. So if we go right arrow, you can see the speed of the background. The lower, the faster. Or left arrow, you can go a bit slower. There you go. That's just a little test there to see how the different screens would run faster or slower. Now, stop. Let's go to the first terrain. A little script here. Go back 100 layers. Then position itself in the center, 0, 0. And then forever move at the variable speed, which we created here. So it's going to move -8. At the moment, it's moving to the left 8 steps. When he gets to the position -464, he jumps to the right out of the background area, but just ready to come again. The second one does very similar. It positions itself to the right of the screen, not quite in the screen yet, and then forever it moves at -8 to the left. And then, when it goes all the way through -464, it then jumps back to this side. So it looks like a continuous sort of process. This can be done also with possibly 3 to make a bit more variety of background, but this works perfectly well. Here we go. Up and down, flying through. And this is very similar to the cartoons we used to watch with Roadrunner and Coyote. And it had this background repeating itself quite a lot if you paid attention. And that's it. A little simple scrolling background script.